Ever been left awestruck by those mind-bending AI creations, thinking, how on earth did they manage that digital wizardry? Well, get ready to don your digital cape because you're about to become the superhero of pixels. Imagine this, you conjuring up mesmerizing images with just a few clicks. No more staring at your screen like a lost pixel. With the right prompts, you'll be painting digital tapestries faster than you can say, Adobe what? And here's the kicker. It's easier than getting a teenager out of bed on a Monday morning. Seriously, smoother than a jazz solo on a moonlit night. All you need is a little guidance, the right tools, and, of course, the secret ingredient, perfect prompts. That's where we swoop in like the digital dream team. At PromptsWithin, we're the architects of imagination, the maestros of the digital canvas. Whether you're dreaming of surreal landscapes, futuristic cityscapes, or maybe just a giant disco ball, because hey, why not? We've got the tricks up our sleeves to make it happen. So if you're ready to unleash your inner artist and maybe even inspire a few virtual standing ovations along the way, you're in for a wild ride. Stick with us and we'll let you in on the secrets to grabbing those prompts that'll fuel your creativity. Let's dive in and create some digital magic together. It's going to be an electrifying adventure.
Audio Jungle. I just gotta check. Always gotta
Okay, let's begin by discussing how you can get prompts that will create images like these using any AI tool. Whether it's Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or any AI tool you like, these prompts will make them in seconds. To get started, click the link in the description or on the first pinned comment below. You will be introduced to 250k prompts and styles, the AI artist's secret weapon. A game changer for anyone who wants to create mind-blowing art with the help of AI. The best part? These prompts are free. Their beauty is their universality. No matter what AI art tool you use, our prompts are designed to work with various platforms. To get access to these prompts, simply click any button that says free download. On the next page, enter your actual email address and click the Get Free Prompts Now button. Great, now we're getting closer. On this page, scroll down and click the download button. And holy smokes, buckle up because here's the kicker. You now wield the power of over 250,000 prompts at your fingertips, ready to conjure up any image you could possibly dream of. Are you feeling the excitement? Because I sure am. But wait, it gets even better. Dive into this treasure trove, and what do you discover? A cornucopia of prompts tailored to fulfill every creative whim you've ever had. Can you believe it? The possibilities are absolutely endless. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more tips, tricks, creative prompts, and inspiration. We're here to support you on your artistic journey every step of the way. So, until next time, keep creating and let your imagination run wild with PromptsWithin. Together, let's paint the world with our creativity.